can't believe how close to the shore he is.
You videoing it?
Mm.
Come on up.
He is swimming sideways.
Yeah. What? He's not very deep up there.
What's he doing? I can't imagine he can get any fish going that slow.
Whoa! Holy shit! Wow! I think it's coming on land.
That video was worth it.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
He's coming right at us.
He's gonna do. He's probably gonna do that again. He did that. Oh really?
I didn't know which I cared about more. Running out of the way or getting it on video.
Well, once he hit land, he wouldn't have gone
Yeah,
too
I figured
far.
he wasn't going to go on land, but you never know. If he's hungry enough. I don't know where he went. Is that the other one? What is that? Oh, that's a bird.
Oh, he's doing that again over there.